Good morning.
Good morning.
You were referred by your GP for biofeedback training, and can you tell me about your symptoms?
Yes, I can. At work, I have a lot of headaches and sometimes I feel out of breath and dizzy. I'm not sure about the cause, but I am here hoping that we can find a solution.
Yes, your GP writes on your referral that work-related stress might be a cause, and also that you call in sick frequently because of headache.
That's right. I experience a lot of pressure at work, so it can be that this pressure causes my headaches. I try to get rid of the pain by taking medication, but this only suppresses the pain and does not solve the problem.
I agree. Painkillers only suppress the pain and do not solve the problem. The symptoms you mention can be stress-related. During stress, it is possible that you tense your shoulders, which causes headache, and maybe your breath becomes irregular and shallow, which can lead to an out-of-breath feeling.
What you have just told me matches my experience. I am curious if we can find a cause, whether the problem really is stress-related.
Through biofeedback, we can measure how your body reacts when stressed.
Okay.
And it's a kind of test.
Yeah?
We can find out if your body is relaxed when there is no stress, how your body reacts during a more stressful situation, and also if you are able to recover from the stress reaction.
Okay, this makes me quite nervous. The whole idea of doing a test, a stress test.
Yeah. Yes, I understand. Being tested can make you feel nervous, especially with the sensors and all.
Yeah.
But the test takes only 20 minutes, and you probably will get used to it quickly, so you won't notice the sensors anymore.
Okay, I'm taking your word for it.
Okay, so let's start the test.
Yes, I'm curious.
Now I'm going to attach the sensors. These sensors measure your body functions required to perform the stress profile. I have attached a strap to your waist to measure your respiration.
Okay.
I have put electrodes on your left shoulder and on your right shoulder to measure your muscle tension.
Okay.
I have attached a temperature sensor on your little finger. The straps on these two fingers measure perspiration, and this clip measures your heart rate. You can relax your hand.
Okay.
So we are ready for the test. The test starts with a baseline of 6 minutes to see what your level of relaxation is.
Okay.
After the baseline, you get 3 mental tasks, each followed by 2 minutes of relaxation. That's to see if you can recover from stress. Now I'll give you a magazine to read during the baseline.
Okay, I only have to read?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay, I'll start the measurement now. Let's do the first task. That's calculation.
Okay.
Please start with 1965 and keep subtracting 7. So 1965 minus 7 minus 7 out loud. Please start.
Okay. 1965, 1958, 1951, 1944, 1917, 1910, 1903, 1896, 1889.
Okay, that was 1 minute. Now it's time to relax. Forget the task and focus on relaxation.
Okay.
We are ready with the test. In total it took 20 minutes. Did it go well?
Yes, I had no problem. The sensors did not bother me at all.
Okay, that's nice. So let's look at the results.
Okay, I'm curious.
Here we see the result of the stress test. The grey part is during reading. The bottom line is your muscle tension, and what we see is that you indeed tense your shoulders. With biofeedback, you can learn to feel when you tense your shoulders, like here, and you can learn to relax your shoulders. In this part, your shoulders are relaxed, so you are able to do it.
Okay.
If we look at your respiration, we see that you breathe 18 times a minute during reading, and a relaxed wave breathing would be less than 12, so you are breathing too fast.
Yes, that's too fast.
Yes, so I suggest to use biofeedback to teach muscle relaxation and slow breathing.
Okay.
Let's start with the muscle relaxation training.
Okay.
On your screen you see tension in both shoulders, and you see a difference in tension between your shoulders. The left one is more tensed.
I see it.
And can you also feel this?
During reading, I was not aware of this at all.
And now, when you see it on the screen?
I do notice now that my left shoulder feels heavier.
Okay, now try to lower the tension in your shoulder, like this. Right. Yes, that's very good. You see the bar graph lowers. And can you also feel a difference in your shoulder?
It does feel lighter now.
Try to hold on to that feeling. Keep doing what you're doing now. Look, the muscle tension stays low. Now we start with the respiration training.
Yes.
The right bar graph is your respiration and the left bar graph is your heart rate. And I invite you to breathe more slowly. So breathe in and slowly breathe out. Look, when you breathe out in a slow way, your heart rate also lowers. And now breathe in and slowly breathe out. And breathe in, very good, and breathe out. Look, if all goes well, the flower opens nicely. So breathe in and slowly breathe out.
I notice that I really have control over my body now.
Yes, with biofeedback you can learn to be more aware of changes in your body.
Yes.
And you can learn to control your body. But practicing is the key. Particularly by daily practice, your body learns to be relaxed.
Yes, at first I had the feeling that a headache and restlessness were symptoms that I could not control. But now I have learned that I can actually control these.
Yes, and if you practice with slow breathing a couple of times a day, and if you are more aware of your muscle tension and practice with lowering your shoulders, your body gradually learns to be more relaxed. And you will feel less restless, also during work.
Will I get results quickly?
Hopefully you feel better soon. We will need some more biofeedback training sessions, and it is important that you practice daily and in different situations, but you will probably learn it fast.
Okay, that'll be great.